In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney to make insane improvements to your e-commerce brand. Now, there's a few different ways I'm going to teach you today, and they are going to be game-changing and very, very cheap. So, the first thing you want to do is go onto Google and go to this place called Prompt Base. Now, this is going to be a game changer, I promise you. So in here, first of all, we can just type in e-commerce, and we can just, if you want to, just get a gauge of what's available. Click e-commerce and click Midjourney here. Now, first of all, we've got website designs. So here you can see that they have a ton of different website design mockups for e-commerce. This would be an amazing way to give you some inspiration that you could send to a proper designer who can make it in Figma and then make it onto Shopify or whatever e-commerce platform you use. Again, there's tons more. There's homepage ones here, like this one. There's ones for urban clothing, which is just if you have an urban clothing brand. These are all, look how amazing they are. They're so modern, they're so up to date, and they're so unique. This will increase the appeal of your brand by so much. Now, the next thing we can do is we can get product photos made with Midjourney. Now, I would imagine what you would do is you would import your photo into the bot, the Midjourney bot, and you would copy the link of it, and then you would imagine and then use these prompts. So you can see, look at all these amazing product photos for all the different products. This is going to make your product page look so much cleaner and give your customers so much more to look at before they buy. Now, something else you can do is you can create these icons. You can do tons of things. Now, another one I wanted to look at is here, this one, ads. You can make it look like people are holding your products. So if you wanted to use the imagine prompt with one of these, you could make it look like someone's holding your box of shoes or whatever you sell. This would be an amazing way to add some social proof and would be really effective, and it looks super professional and high quality. So I'd recommend just going onto Prompt Base, scrolling through here and looking at all the different prompts that they have here and think, how could this improve my store? Would it make it look more professional? Would it make it look bigger? Would it make it look like lots of people shop there? Go ahead and do this, and I promise you this will improve your e-commerce store by so much. And all you've got to do is go onto the ones you like, click get prompt, pay the small amount via Stripe, and then you're ready to go. You've been given the prompt and you can put it into Midjourney and get designing. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and tell me that you found it useful. Thank you.